Take it.
Take it now.
Do something about it.
Probably won't be necessary.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Mr. Chase! Oh, Mr. Chase, oh.
Of course I do. You have to excuse Cole here. He keeps the crazies away. Jordan Chase, nice to meet you. It sure looks nice.
Atlantic.
I was in Jacksonville. Got an early call from him that it just might be the one we'd all been watching on the news. Flew back as soon as I could. The keys? Yeah, Cole. Things up a bit.
Well, first, we're gonna need fingerprints.
Absolutely. And if I could ask one favor, I'd appreciate it if my name and organization wasn't released to the press. Connected to this in any way would be a PR nightmare. I'm sure you understand.
No, I mean, that guy's clearly a freak.
I've sold over 1 million copies of my book. Almost as many CDs.
This is Mr. Chase.
Noted.
Now, if you have any...
I will.
Cole as a teenager.
It's Cole. But we shall be delivered! People we don't love. Power of risk dire. Take it! The power of take it! Take it! I have some bad news for everyone. We're going to die. Some of us sooner than others. With your primal self, you're already dead. Fuel the passion to make it real. To take it.
Jordan promises change, but he also accepts credit cards.
When they were teenagers, but...
Sorry. New client. Especially under better circumstances. Jordan. Can I offer you a drink? Why you're here. You're searching for a way to cope with your loss. I know your history, Dexter. Your wife was murdered. Are they any closer to catching Trinity? I followed that case very closely, yes. Yet he was working through such rage. I have to be honest, he fascinated me. On a deep level. Unpunished. No doubt. And now you're a single father, which has its own set of challenges. I have to at another time, if you're open to that. Okay. By the way, have you made any progress on Boyd Fowler? Of course. I look forward to our next... For Harrison.
The primal self?
I started listening in the car. I met my soulmate. And now we have a baby on the way.
Come up here. The kind that leaves you wondering if they're... But how does the primal self... Come and join me on stage, Dexter. Dexter. Recently, he lost his wife. You were the one to find her. Your wife, Rita. Dexter, I want you to tell me something, Dexter. I want you to be very honest. In that moment, shattered. When the primal self is shattered, do you feel that, Dexter? That hunger inside you to be whole again. For some, it's a new job. For others, they'll have to be open to hearing the message. Are you? Taken your first step toward happiness. Dexter.
Most people wait until...
Your chief of security's head is in my luggage.
I want to thank you for coming on stage. I know it was sudden and you probably didn't appreciate it, but don't forget what happened here this weekend, Dexter. Act on what you've learned. It's what I tell my clients. Tick, tick, tick. Life running out. Take it, Dexter.
I'm looking for advice, just proof.
Faster, Dex. You feel like you're not getting what you came here for. Intense exercise works.
What I'm telling you now is, but it's your one chance to recreate yourself. You get to put yourself back together again any way you want. I know it for a fact. You didn't come here to talk about me. Okay, I'll tell you where it started, if you promise to keep it between us. Plato. The notion of a fractured self is from Plato's Symposium. You ever read it? Plato's idea that we are fractured creatures trying to become whole, and I ran with it. Boom. So, now you know my secret. You have to give me something to work with. Otherwise, how can I help you?
Or maybe you can.
But I do need your commitment. Otherwise, we're just wasting our time. I think I may have an opening tomorrow morning. Good session. You seem more open. You feel the difference?
I feel like I might.
Deep down, we know what we really want.
Work. New evidence to process. But, thanks again.
So when's our next appointment?
I'll check with the receptionist.
But I'm looking for Dexter. Is he there? Can I leave a message? Tell him I'm just checking in and I'd like him to schedule another appointment as soon as possible.
Bye.
Hang on a second. Tell Dexter one more thing. Tell him time is of the essence. Tick, tick of his life running out. Could you be sure to tell him that? Take care, Lumen. Hold on a second. Detective Batista told me and Mr. Harmon that you'd made a mistake. I have no idea what Cole is. He told me he needed some personal time.
Your head of...
Nothing but cooperative with your department. But that was predicated on a certain amount of discretion on your part. Now you barge into my place of business, hurling insinuations.
That's Jordan Chase?
When he was Eugene Greer.
You told her everything? About what happened at the camp?
Even though I didn't want to. Girl.
Emily. No one could ever take your place. You know that, right? We have a bond. And no one can ever break. You made me what I am today. Special you are to me.
Eugene Greer has arrived.
We want to clear Mr. Chase as a suspect.
Why on earth is he even considered a suspect?
Connected to your client. Cole Harmon is your head of security. It's in his home.
That proves exactly nothing. A million people.
Many of them were broken individuals, going through very difficult periods in their lives.
Chase knew anything about this.
You know it's your duty to be suspicious. But I swear, no one is more disturbed than I am. The people I've helped could be responsible for something like this.
I have to do this.
Dexter will help you.
After all, you are a client. Destructive path. I can't just stay silent. Bad things happen. Really? Why is that? I'm here for you. Don't forget that.
No. The police could come back with more questions about Cole. If you're suddenly gone, it might look suspicious. I'm on top of it.
No, not so far, you're not.
I am. And I need you to trust me. It's very important that you keep acting like everything's normal. You're not going to leave town. You're going to maintain your regular routine to the letter. Tell me you understand what I've said. You always do. Have a vodka tonic, watch TV. Call you as soon as I know more.
Morgan.
Detective, it's Jordan Chase. A strange call came into my office from an Alex Tilden. I didn't speak to him myself, but my secretary said that he was looking for Cole Harmon to speak to Cole about a flight he needed to arrange. Detectives.
We appreciate you fitting.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, we followed up immediately. We went to his house, but it looked like we had just missed him.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, it is, because...
I see.
Yeah, what do these three people have in common? And you.
Oh, here it comes. It's ridiculous that you think I have anything to do with this. I gave you my DNA. What were the results? Go on, remind me.
Your DNA wasn't found on any of the Barrel girls.
That's correct. So all this right here is a colossal waste of my time and yours.
Well, I've got nothing but time.
You're obsessed with me. It happens. You achieve a bit of fame and people latch onto you in various twisted ways. It's typically seen in someone who's trying to avoid facing the dismal nature of her own small life.
I think
all healthy.
And
It's something I can help you with.
Her.
Seriously, I'll be fine. It's you I'm concerned about.
Jordan Chase.
Please hurry.
Very nice. You're quite the actress. That he would let you come here by yourself. Yes, you keep saying that. You're surprisingly short of answers. Brilliant. Because you certainly wouldn't tip him off in quiet, please.
Me to do.
Please, shut up.
Shut up! Of course it's your fault!
I find this profoundly distasteful.
Never had to do anything before. Now I have no choice. I can't leave any witnesses.
But it's not working for you. You're stressed. I can hear it in your voice. And the longer I stay on the phone, the better your chances of finding me. That's the sound of Lumen's life running out.
Ruta?
Shit.
Jordan Chase!
Come on.
Oye!
Well, don't worry. It'll all come back to you. What do you think? I believe he will. Surprise. Get up. It was inevitable that this would happen. Going through intense shared experience against a common enemy. Do it in my seminars all the time. I'm sure you feel like you actually have something, even love. Rita, you blamed yourself, sure. You could be a hero. You can't save one thing to make up for another, Dexter. Wow. You're no different than the idiots that show up at my seminars. Put you out of your misery, both of you. So you were listening.
Please. Some etiquette. Killing is killing, Dexter. Let's at least be on the table.
Transformed.
Lumen. We're not on a first-name basis, the three of us. You would never have known you had it in you. Now you do! It's truly amazing. You used to just cower and cry.
That's for everyone that you hurt. Do you hear me?